Hey guys, so I'm going to quickly show you how to put in 14mm contact lenses. The contact lenses I'm using today are the Primal Costume Contact Lens in X-Ray, and I'll leave a link to where you can buy these contacts in Australia below. And once you get them out of the packet, you're going to put it onto the tip of your finger. Use your other hand to pull down your eyelid, and basically you're going to push the contact in an upwards motion onto your eye. And then what you're going to do is, once it's stuck to your actual eyeball, you're going to slowly move your eye as if to look to where the contact lens is sitting, and that's going to help the contact lens slip over your actual iris itself. So the more you blink, the more the contact lens will move and rotate to the center of your eye. And I'm just going to do that again, so pushing it into my eyeball in an upwards motion. And then I'm going to rotate my eye to look into the lens, and it's going to slide straight over. And that's the easiest way to put in 14mm contact lenses. And now I'm going to show you guys how to quickly take it out. So it's really simple. You look up, get your finger, drag it across the lens, and just pinch it straight out. Thanks for watching.